Hello, today I'll be baking a Sharlotka, which is a traditional Russian apple cake. First, peel the apples and put them into a bowl. Next, cut them into quarters so they're without the seeds. Then, cut them into small pieces. Crack the eggs and whisk them on high speed. Remember, the better you whisk them, the tastier the Sharlotka will be. Gently pour in the sugar while still mixing. Pour in the flour and mix it a little before whisking it, as you don't want the flour all over your kitchen. Do the same with the semolina. Pour in the apples and mix them into the dough. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Bon appétit!